In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly copy and paste within Smartsheet, as well as between Smartsheet and other programs. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to log into Smartsheet and navigate to your workspace. Once you're there, open up the specific sheet that you're planning to work with. Now that you've accessed your desired sheet, it's time to highlight the information you wish to copy. You can do this by clicking on the row number, or if you prefer, you can select specific cells directly. This part is crucial because you want to make sure you're copying exactly what you need without including any unnecessary data. After selecting the rows or cells that you're interested in, you'll want to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. For those using a Mac, you'll use CMD+C instead. Alternatively, another way to copy is by right-clicking on your highlighted selection and choosing Copy from the list of options. This ensures that the information is stored temporarily and is ready to be pasted wherever you need it next. Now, head over to the destination row or cell where you want to paste the data. Use Ctrl+V on a Windows device or CMD+V on a Mac to paste the information directly. It's important to double check that the data has been transferred correctly. If needed, you can make any adjustments or edits to the pasted content to align with your current project requirements. Let's talk about copying and pasting between Smartsheet and other programs, since this is another useful aspect of working efficiently with multiple tools. To start, you'll use Ctrl+C or CMD+C if you're on a Mac to copy data from Smartsheet just as before. Once you have that data, switch over to the other program where you want this information to be transferred, such as Excel for example. When you're there, simply use Ctrl+V or CMD+V to paste the information into the new program. This quick and easy process allows for smooth transitions and helps maintain data integrity between different applications. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can now copy and paste information within Smartsheet and transfer it between Smartsheet and other programs effortlessly. This skill will undoubtedly help you save time and improve your workflow, whether you're managing data, collaborating with a team, or preparing a project. Thanks for joining me today, and happy Smartsheeting!